I just scratched this one with knife on purpose, and by the end of the video, I'm going to make it disappear. Welcome to another Beyond Kitchen tour, right here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Today, I will walk you through the stunning two-tone kitchen that pairs natural kitchen cabinets and matte white Fenix fronts. And I will show you a fully custom details that separate this from anything you can find off the shelf. Let's start with the wood. These base cabinet fronts are made with gorgeous natural walnut, and if you look closely, you'll notice the vertical grain match. The wood grain flows perfectly from the bottom drawer all the way up. It takes an incredible amount of precision and craftsmanship to sequence the veneer across the multiple fronts when there is an integrated handle involved. With flat fronts, it's one thing, but keeping the grain continuous across the shaped handle, it's a whole different level. And it's what gives this kitchen the seamless high-end look. And here, where the fully custom cabinets really show up. In this kitchen, we took the interiors to the next level. The walnut fronts get the school gray boxes that work beautifully with the warm wood tones. In the Fenix ones, we put the walnut boxes here. So every time you open a door, the inside feels just as intentional as the outside. And being fully custom solves 3 layout problems. This specific wall is only 14 inches deep. Standard tall cabinet would never fit here. So we manufactured this one from scratch to use every inch of the space. And check out this edge detail here. Fenix NTM on front and the back, and all 4 edges are banded with natural walnut, which flows right into our integrated curved handle, milled from the single piece of solid walnut. We went with crisp white for this client, but we can build this exact collection in any Fenix color, and there are dozens to pair with black walnut or a lighter oak. Even the kitchen hardware is considered. Matte black hinges instead of standard chrome, and we use Blum Legraboxes for every drawer. 2 heights here, standard for cutlery and utensils, and deep for heavier pots and pans. Incredibly strong and completely silent. Corner cabinet solution can be tricky, but look at this. 2 pull-out shelves sliding right out of the corner toward you. No spinning anything around, no reaching into the back. Everything just comes to you. One little detail here. See these fillers at the corner? With attached handles, they have to be much wider, so doors don't hit each other. But with integrated ones, you can keep them this small, so you barely notice them. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for. This is Fenix NTM. It's Italian-made, durable, and it has this amazing feature. So we take a damp cloth and a little heat with an iron. And scratches just go away like it never happened. This combination of matte white Fenix and natural walnut is timeless. And its fully custom details underneath what make it Beyond Kitchen. If you're ready to start designing your own custom cabinets here in San Francisco Bay Area, visit beyondkitchen.com. And thank you for taking time to walk through this beautiful kitchen with me today.